YouTube, welcome to another episode of Al Mac. If you like my channel, please like, please subscribe, and hit the bell notification button, and you will be notified upon any video that I upload. Right now, I'm out here in the woods, just getting some good hiking in and whatnot, because I've been cooped up in the house. A little frustrated, so I was like, you know what, let me get out here and exercise. Guys, there are 3 myths that a lot of motorcyclists believe, but they don't know that is not true. But they're highly debated. And I'm going to cover this, but in no particular order. But the number 3 myth that most motorcyclists believe that's not true is that drivers do not care about motorcyclists. Think about before you were riding a motorcycle and you were just a driver. Did you care if you hit a motorcycle? I know I did, because someone else is on that motorcycle, and you know they have a high probability of losing their life if they get hit. I believe that most drivers are frustrated by motorcyclists because a lot of us are reckless with our riding, and that frustrates a lot of drivers, you know, or we have this presumption that a reckless driver doesn't care about a motorcyclist, and it's not personal against us. The driver just has no patience with anyone, road rage and whatnot, so he's frustrated with every vehicle that's out there, not motorcyclists just in particular. So, you know, guys, how frustrating drivers may be to us a lot of times, I believe that they do care. I just believe that, you know, they are frustrated with the 90-mile-an-hour sport bikes that's flying up and down the street, you know, and that sport bike is putting all of what their lives in danger, and all of the motorcyclists' lives in danger too. But I'm not going to really dwell on that, but let's go to the number two myth that a lot of motorcyclists believe that's not true is that loud pipes save lives. What saves lives is not how loud your motorcycle is. What saves lives is rider awareness and rider skill. Instead of worrying about how loud your bike is, guys, and I get it, I love the rumble of a Harley myself, but let's focus on rider skill, rider awareness, being aware of what's around you and not revving your engine. And that's going to be the thing that's going to keep you safe, not how loud your bike is. And if you really want to be noticed, guys, and you want people to know that, you know, that you are there, then put on a high-vis helmet and a high-vis vest or jacket. These are things that's going to help you be safe, not how loud the bike is, guys. So focus on really your skill and your rider awareness. And if you really do just want to be noticed, guys, put some high-vis gear on, and that would definitely help. But my number one motorcycle myth that a lot of riders believe is that, and this is a controversial thing, but that all riders will go down at least once. I do not believe that, guys. I do not believe that every rider will go down. There are things that will keep you from going down. And again, that goes back to rider awareness and rider skill. And even with rider awareness and rider skill, I understand that one can still go down. You know, I've been down, and it happens, guys. But will every rider go down? I do not believe that, because I know a lot of riders that have never gone down, and they're almost at the end of their motorcycle journey, and I would doubt if they're going to go down now. Guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification button. All right, guys, and I want you guys to have a great day. It's your boy Al Mack, and I'm out.